Good morning guys. Kakatapos lang maligo.
Generosity fosters trust and loyalty, quality. Perfect accord are stronger than one steady and alive. The mastermind also serves another purpose. Alone you delay action and soften mistakes. In a circle of successful men, you will be called to account for your commitment. This isn't to share, but to ensure that every member rises to the level of his desired aim. In times of uncertainty, the mastermind is your fortress. The voice that triggers your cloud. It feeds into the confidence and advice. Only the language. Perfect application of the truth. There's a multiple perspectives. Protect this alliance, you must guard it from the infiltration of negativity. Never admit a man whose spirit is opposed to your head, whose speech is filled with doubt, or whose character is untrustworthy. Better keep the circle small, strong, than large and divided. Affirm the latter. I surround myself with allies of courage. Our union multiplies our power. Victory is certain when we act together. Let this be the creed of your mastermind. When you move with such a circle, you borrow strength on the days your own feels low. You borrow wisdom in areas where you are less skilled. You borrow courage in moments of hesitation. And in return, you give the same, creating a current of power that carries all members toward their aims faster than any who travel alone. The man who acts as if he cannot lose must ensure that his companions think the same. One voice of defeat can undo a chorus of victory if permitted to linger. Therefore choose, build, and guard your mastermind with the same care you guard your own mind. For in truth it is the extension. Remember, when the history of your success is told, the names of those in your mastermind will be woven through. They will be the ones who stood with you when the path was unclear, who pushed you forward when the world resisted, and who celebrated with you when the aim was made visible. Seek them, keep them, and together, act as if you cannot lose, until the world itself believes it. Controlled attention is the watchman of your mind. It is the discipline of directing your thoughts only toward that which advances your definite purpose and refusing entry to all that weakens it. The man who acts as if he cannot lose must make certain that the only pictures, words, and ideas admitted to his mind are those that strengthen the belief in his inevitable victory. Most men live with attention scattered in a thousand directions, hard on their needs, hard on idle amusements, hard on the gossip of neighbors, hard on fears about the future. This scattering of thought is the leaking of power. A man's mind is like sunlight, diffused in water. Concentrated through a lens, it burns. Controlled attention is the lens that focuses all the light of your mind on your purpose until it burns through every barrier. In Think and Grow Rich, I wrote that the dominating thoughts of your mind will reproduce themselves in outward action. But for them to dominate, they must be kept before you constantly, fed by repetition, and protected from contradiction. If you allow opposing images or fears to enter unchecked, they will fight with your aim for control of your actions. Woodrow Wilson understood this principle. When he conceived of the League of Nations, he met fierce resistance at abroad. Yet he held his attention fixed on the vision of a worldwide, disciplined future for us. He devoted his speeches, his negotiations, his travel, and his personal days to this aim. Though the League was not adopted by the United States, his unwavering focus influenced global policy for decades, and the idea lived on later in the future. To practice controlled attention, begin by identifying every source of input into your mind. This includes the people you speak with, the books and people you read, the broadcasts you listen to, and the thoughts you relevant to yourself. Ask the question, does this feed my aim or weakness? If it weakens, remove it. Second, set aside a fixed time each day for concentrated thought upon your aim. Idle daydreaming, but your vivid visualization of drawing to advance. Picture your aim as complete, review your progress, adjust your plan, and decide the next concrete step. Even 15 minutes of such concentrated focus daily will keep your mind aligned in your purpose. Third, replace every idle thought with a constructive one. When you find your mind wandering to worries, replace the picture with the image of your completed aim. When you catch yourself repeating doubt, replace the words with affirmations of victory. This constant redirection is the training of controlled attention. Fourth, practice accurate thinking, which is the habit of basing decisions only on facts that are relevant and verifiable. Many men fail because they accept rumors, opinions, or fears as if they were true. These are mental weeds that must be pulled before they choke your aim. Ask, is this fact proven? Does it relate to my purpose? If not, discard it. Andrew Carnegie was a master of this. His business dealings, he ignored irrelevant data and refused to be swayed by opinions that did not directly affect his purpose. By keeping his mind clear of thought, he could see opportunities and threats with precision. That clarity of thought was one reason you could move decisively, while others hesitated. Controlled attention also means guarding against the poison of what if it fails. This question serves no reason. It diverts the mind into planning defeat instead of victory. The only what if I must allow is, what if this works even better than I planned? All else is waste. To reinforce your attention, create physical reminders of your aim. Place your written victory statement where you will see it throughout the day, on your desk, in your wallet, by your bed. Surround yourself with symbols of your aim. A model of the product you will build, an image of the place you will live, a list of the people you will serve. Let these be constant triggers to bring your attention back to where it belongs. You must also guard your association. Conversation with those who doubt your aim or plan to keep their down to your leader. The man of controlled attention chooses companions whose speech builds, not breaks, whose questions open the door, not close it. This is why the mastermind principle is so powerful. Its harmony feeds controlled attention instead of scattering. In moments of fatigue or discouragement, you may feel your focus slipping. This is the hour to use affirmations as a rallying cry. Speak aloud. I control where enters my mind. My attention serves my purpose. My mind rejects defeat. The act of speaking will often be enough to turn your thoughts back to their rightful course. Remember, the mind will work on whatever you feed it, whether by choice or neglect. If you do not choose your focus, the world will choose it for you, and it will not choose your fate. Advertisements, gossip, news, and disaster, you will claim your thoughts and you will claim yourself. Controlled attention is not a burden, it is a liberation. It frees you from wasting energy on matters that do not advance you. It turns every hour into an investment in your future. It makes you immune to the panic and distraction that control the average man, because your thoughts are anchored in a port that no storm can touch. Practice it until it becomes instinct. When you can no longer tolerate